Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're working on a pencil box. That's what I said, a pencil box. It's a unicorn pencil box. It's for one of my loyal subscribers, CB. It's for his daughter. The latch broke off, and so today what we have to do is make a new one. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I forgot to video this intro before I made the latch, so I'm going to try to cover it up. Spoiler alert. But so this latch goes here, and what we need to do is 3D print a new latch real similar to this. We're going to try to make something, almost, it's going to look, you're going to think it's this latch, but we're going to go through the process. All right kids, stay tuned. All right, I'm in Fusion. I'm going to create a sketch, and we are going to make a rough drawing of the latch. Leave a comment. What do you think about this project? It's for the kids. The basic drawing is done. Time to press pull it to depth. I have to add a tab for the locking mechanism. We can't have anyone stealing these pencils. It looks good. Off to the 3D printer. I bring the file into Cura. We do 100% infill, no brim, and I do have to add supports. Sorry Dave, didn't video the 3D printing. Alright guys, there's the latch printed. So the issue I'm having is we got to try to get it in this little hole. That's funny. So what I decided to do is see how this is crimped. I'm guessing the way they made this, you can see this is crimped back here because this was folded here, here, and here. So I'm going to peel this up, peel that up, and hopefully get this in there. At this point, this project is cutting into Claire's college fund. I think I should have just bought the $8 latch from Amazon. What do you think? Leave a comment. Well guys, I was trying to get rid of the infill and I broke the tab. So again, who didn't see that coming? Alright, what's going on here is this latch, as you can see, doesn't want to latch. I have made this a little bit, we're going to call this the throat area, a little bit too short. And when I do push it down, you see how the back side raises up and it starts to come apart. Okay, so what I ended up doing was, remember, let's find it here. This was the first one that I printed before I had the box. This is the second one, which is really close. Then I printed this one. This has a larger throat, but after realizing that I have to tear the latch apart here to install this, these little tabs will break off just like the existing one, so I decided to use this. See how I have it solid back here? So I'm hoping this works, the throat area. It looks like it will. So now what we have to do is tear this apart again. I need to JB weld these tabs in place because I'm unable to crimp them. Now we have to let the JB weld dry for 24 hours. Alright, it's been about 24 hours. Let's see how we did here. That's looking pretty good. Can you guys hear that? Has some positive engagement. Fits okay. Latch isn't loose. I think it's going to work. Hopefully it withstands the test of time. All right, guys, another successful project from the underground. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.